Welcome to this short video on the new ProfitMaker version 9.40.10. This video will show you new enhancements. Please review the update bulletin for a complete list of details. The first enhancement to review will be for credit card processing. Automate the processing of your credit cards using these available gateways. These include Promo Payment, MPC Secure, USA ePay, and PayPal using PayFlow Pro. This exciting option will allow you to process your credit card transactions right inside of ProfitMaker. You will no longer have to double key them. We will go into ProfitMaker and show you a few details about this exciting option. The first step is setting up your available gateways. This is done in your company setup. Going to the System menu on the left, and then into Company Setup, we would choose Credit Authorization. Before reaching this step, you should have already contacted your gateway supplier. The next step is to set up your payment method. This is done under the Customer menu. Under Templates, we're going to select Payment Method. Every card that you accept would need to have a payment method code set up. We'll do a lookup. We have two in here for Visa. We have a Visa manual and a Visa interface. Selecting the Visa interface, we'll select OK. We'll go to Edit This so we can show you a little more details. We marked it as Visa interface. It's marked as credit card. It automatically does ask for authorization number. You may also enable credit card security code. Your authorization type would be interface. Additional approval percentage is over and above the order total. This could include overruns as well as allowing for freight and tax. We may enable address verification service and enable customer vault. And then we'll select Save. We'll close this option. Now we'll open up an order and we'll show what it looks like when you're entering an order. We'll add our new order and select our customer. We're going to speed things up a bit and just repeat an order. We'll fill out our first page like you normally would and mark it as credit card. We'll go to our line items. We'll repeat our line. Now we'll see we have our product lines in. We'll finish the order doing instructions and shipping. We're going to go directly over to the option page. And on the option tab, we're going to select method of payment. On the method of payment, you may choose the credit card you wish to use for this order. We're going to select our Visa interface. Once we select Visa interface, hit our tab key, you'll notice it opens up a pre-authorize button. This will allow you to pre-authorize the card directly from order entry without having to go outside the system. By pre-authorizing, you make sure the card is good before you ship the products to the end user. Once we've done our pre-authorization, then we'll select OK. Once we save our order, we'll print it as we normally would. Once you receive your vendor invoice, and then go in and bill it. We're going to bill this order. We'll add our order. Add freight as needed. It is still marked as credit card. Go to Options, Method of Payment. Still has it marked as interface, our credit card payment, but it does not show it as posted. Once you save the order that you're billing, this validation message tells us the invoice may not be printed until credit card deposit has been posted. This is the same message that you would have received if you would have done a manual. The difference is, doing a manual interface, you would now have to go outside of ProfitMaker in order to post it. With the credit card interface option installed, we're going to go ahead and close this. We're going to open up our credit card processing. You could choose all selected a range of customers, orders, units, payment methods, or programs, and select OK. Credit cards to post will now appear on the screen. The green block indicates that it's ready to be posted. If we hover over the icon and hit the right mouse button, it'll let us know what's missing. Once we've reviewed each one of our credit card transactions on this screen, we can now go to process credit cards right from inside of ProfitMaker. We'll select Process Credit Cards. Once you've done the pre-authorize and have your gateway set up, when you come into the Post Credit Card, you will have the option to Post Authorize. This is where it would automatically go out and take the funds from within ProfitMaker. If you have back orders, you can include back order amount now or include it later. And then you would select OK. We'll go ahead and go to Post. And then you'd go on to print your invoices like you normally would. We're going to go back to our document. Our next new option is the ability to import or create journal entries from an import file. You can now import journal entries. This efficient new option will allow you to enter journal entries from your account without having to key them in. This new menu option is called Import Journal Entries. Opening this option will show you a screen where you can select your posting month. You will also be able to browse out and select your file to import. And once again, please review the update bulletin for a complete list of details on this exciting new option. We will now go inside of ProfitMaker and show you how this works. We'll go to our accounting menu. And as mentioned in the bulletin, we'll go to the flyout for journal entries and select Import Journal Entries. Change your posting month if needed. Select the file to import. You can browse out to select your file. Once we have our file selected, you can do preview or post. We're going to preview and take a look. There it shows our date and time, our transfer journal entries report. Then it shows my journal entries. Now that we previewed and it's okay, we're going to select post. The journal can be printed if you wish. Once we print it, we can review the journal. We're going to take a look at our import journal entry. It does assign the control group like it normally does, as well as your transaction number. There's our entries, our amounts, and the debits and credits balance. So that is all correct. We'll go ahead and close this. We're back at our main menu. This will complete this video on the new ProfitMaker version 9.40.10.